Telegram chatbots can be a game changer for businesses looking to grow sales and profits. Respond to inquiries instantly, even outside of business hours. This keeps customers happy and reduces cart abandonment. Guide customers through product selection, answer questions, and even process orders directly within the chat. Send personalized messages with special offers and discounts based on customer preferences and purchase history. Interactive chatbots keep customers engaged, answer questions, and provide a fun way to learn about products. Capture customer information through forms within the chat for better lead nurturing and marketing campaigns. SendPulse is a popular platform for creating chatbots for various messaging apps, including Telegram. Here's a simplified look at the setup process. Sign up for a free SendPulse account. You can use the link in the description to try SendPulse. Go to the chatbots section and click Create Chatbot. Choose Telegram as the platform. SendPulse offers a visual flow builder where you can design the conversation path using pre-built blocks and buttons. SendPulse will guide you through creating a new Telegram bot and linking it to your SendPulse account. Test your chatbot thoroughly before launching it to your Telegram audience. By implementing a well-designed Telegram chatbot, your business can automate tasks, improve the customer experience, and ultimately drive sales and profits. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try SendPulse.